Professor Weissman here to show you how easy it is to use algebra in a flash. Just put your algebra in a flash into any USB port and a window will pop up. Notice the README file, which will summarize what I will discuss in this video. Let's take a look at it. There it is. It's all you need to know to run algebra in a flash. We'll close it now. Click on the Math 911 folder icon. In the folder is the program that runs algebra in a flash. It's called math911.exe, and it has a red and yellow icon. We'll click the icon to get started. Okay, let's say your name is Talmud Tov, T-T. We'll put your name in. T-A-L-M-I-D, last name T-O-V, Talmud Tov. Nice initials, you got T-T. And when were you born? What's your birth date? August, yes, 19th. Here we go, August 19th. When we click OK, the window pops up and says, the grade report file. TT, remember that's your name, Talmud Tov, 0819, that's your birth date, was created in the directory Math911. We'll click OK to get started now. Here we got the main page. It's called the menu screen. You're now in Algebra 1, sometimes called Elementary Algebra or Introductory Algebra. Now, all courses in Algebra in a Flash can be used with any textbook or with no textbook at all. On the upper right, you'll see several other courses that you can switch to. Algebra 2, also called Intermediate Algebra, and Algebra 1 Common Core. You can also switch to a college entrance mathematics placement test prep. Play the video on the AccuPlace page of this website for more information about how my test prep can help you save money and time by testing out of remedial mathematics courses when you get to college. On the upper left side of this menu screen is a green button for free updates with new lessons and new topics. You start with a clean slate, no grades. Let's see how Algebra in a Flash teaches you how to solve equations. Let's switch to Chapter 3, Solving Equations. And we'll try Section 3.1, Introduction to Equations. Let's go to Level 2. The bottom right, you'll see that there are 8 types of problems. And you can choose any type, or you could click on New Problem. Each time you press on New Problem, it will give you one of the 8 types which you did not yet answer correctly. Or you could click on any type number and go directly to work that problem. You see the problem, but you have no idea where to start. So you go into tutorial mode. You click on See Solution, the green button on the right. And you see the answer, -16. You say, I need more. I need to see all the steps. So you now click on See All Steps. And you read the first step as well as the explanation at the bottom. You take your time. Then you click on See Next Step. And click it again, and again, and again. And you keep clicking on See Next Step until the problem is solved. Now you click New Problem. When the new problem appears, you can stay in tutorial mode and see it solved step by step, or you can try it on your own. So you work the problem in your notebook, type in your answer, press enter, and you're right. You feel great. If you click on Go to Menu, you will see that your right answer was accounted for in the grades grid. Level 2 had 8 different types, and you answered one of them correctly. That's 1 out of 8, or 12%. You're hooked. You'll do 7 more problems until you get 100%. Word problems are the most difficult part of algebra. Algebra in a Flash has hundreds of word problems, all types, all with step-by-step solutions. Let's look at Chapter 4, Applications, using equations. Let's try a percent mixture problem. Let's step through the problem. The answer is 3. But how do you get 3? See all steps. That's the first step. See next step. See next step. Every time you click, you get the next step until the answer is visible. X equals 3. Need help with graphs? Go back to the menu. Looks like graphs would be Chapter 8. Click on Chapter 8. Let's try section 8.3, graph equation y equals mx plus b. Let's click on level 1. Problem says graph 2 points that are on the line with the given equation. Move your mouse to locate each point, then left click to graph the point. Let's click on See Solution. Well, that's the line. But how do you get that line? We'll click on See All Steps. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5. We're almost there. Those are the 2 points. Connect the points, draw the line. There we go. End of problem. The graph was explained step by step. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of algebra in a Flash. Please, if you need to, contact the professor. Hey, that's me. You can do that directly from the website, and I look forward to helping you. After all, you're in my class now. You are my student.